Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu Server 22.04.5 LTS version on VirtualBox. Download by going to releases.ubuntu.com. See here the latest release is 24.04.2, but in this video I am going to show you how to install this Ubuntu Server 22.04.5. Okay, click on this Ubuntu 22.04.5 Jemmy Jellyfish. See here we have two types of versions, desktop and server images. So scroll down. See here we have the desktop IS1, server IS4, and we can click on this link to download direct. But if you want to download by using torrent, you have to click on this one. Either is fine. So click on Ubuntu 22.04.5 live server IS4. I'll click on it. See, download started. Go to download. See here the size is 2 GB. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download completes, open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install it. See here I have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it. See, these are the virtual machines there in my VirtualBox manager. To create new virtual machine, you have to click on new or machine and select new. Either is fine. Click on new. Then provide the name UBS. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. And this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on this drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Enter, select the folder. Now select the ISO image that we have downloaded. See here I have the Ubuntu server Ubuntu 22.04.5 live server ISO. Open it. See, once we selected, type change it to Linux, subtype to Ubuntu and version Ubuntu 64-bit. Select this checkbox, that is skip unattended installation. If you don't select, it automatically installs. That's why we have selected. Then hardware, I am going to provide 4 GB. It is up to you. Number of CPU cores 2. Then virtual hard disk I am giving 100 GB. It is all based on the availability. So if you are okay with this all settings, click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings of this virtual machine, click on settings or right click and settings or machine and settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with this setting, then click on start or right click start, then normal start. Okay, click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Ubuntu Server. Hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, you have to just right control on your keyboard to release the cursor. Use up and down arrows and select the language and hit enter. Installer update available, so I don't want to newer one, so continue. Select the continue without updating and hit enter. See, this is the keyboard configuration. I am okay with English US, so select done and hit enter. Now choose the type of installation. See here, use the tabs to select this Ubuntu Server or Ubuntu Server minimized. Okay, I am going with Ubuntu Server, so select it and come to done and hit enter. Network configuration done. Proxy, I don't have any proxy server, so I'm not going to configure. Done. Select done. Mirror address. Select continue and hit enter. Storage configuration, I'm okay with this default one, that is use entire disk. If you want to configure, you can configure, but I'm okay with the default, so hit enter. Done. See, this is the configuration summary. This is the storage configuration summary. If you want to reset, you have to select this reset. If you want to go back, we have to back. Okay, I'm okay with this settings, so select done and hit enter. This is just confirmation. Continue. Now we have to create or set up the user. So I am giving user full name as R2 School, server name or host name BS 22.04.5 VM. Then here we have to provide the username. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then select done and hit enter. See, if you want to upgrade to Ubuntu Pro, you have to select. I don't want, so see, it has selected script for now, so keep it as it is and come to continue and hit enter. If you want to install OpenSSH server, just give the spacebar. See, it is selected. If you don't want, again press spacebar on your keyboard. You want to install, so come down, select done and hit enter. If you want to install these additional featured server snaps, you have to select them. Just give the spacebar. If you want to unselect, again press the spacebar. Okay, I don't want any one of them, so select done and hit enter. See, installation has been started. This may take time, so I'm going to pause this video and will resume. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now come to this reboot now and hit enter. See the message. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay. So go to VirtualBox manager. See here, secondary device, that is optical drive, is empty. If it is not empty, you have to click on here and remove the disk from the virtual drive. Then we have to come to this virtual machine and hit enter. Hit enter. See, now it is rebooting. Hit enter. Now provide the login name that we have given or created. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user that we have given. See, we have successfully logged in. Okay, Control L to clear screen. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc os-release. Hit enter. See, we have installed Ubuntu 22.04.5 LTS version and its code name is Jemmy. See here, Ubuntu code name is Jemmy. The first step after connecting to Ubuntu server is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update and ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of this sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, we have successfully updated. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu Server 22.04.5 LTS version on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.